Hi kids, I am Sarah. Today, we are going to explore the amazing types of water bodies on our planet. Do you know what the bodies of water on our planet are?
No.
Bodies of water are natural or man-made places with water, like rivers, lakes, oceans, ponds, and seas, found worldwide. Can someone tell me what the ocean is?
An ocean is a huge body of water.
An ocean is a huge body of salt water that covers most of the earth. It is home to many sea animals. Hey kids, what do you know about the sea?
A sea is a large body of salty water.
Correct. A sea is a large body of salty water that is smaller than an ocean and often connects to it. Can you tell me about rivers?
A river is a flowing body of water.
Correct. A river is a large stream of water that flows across the land, usually from mountains to lakes, seas, or oceans. Can you tell me about lakes?
A lake is still water.
Okay. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. It can be natural or made by people. Can you tell me about a pond?
A pond is a small, still body of water.
Correct. A pond is a small body of still water, smaller than a lake, often surrounded by plants and animals. What do you know about the creek?
A creek is a small, narrow flowing water.
Right. A creek is a small, narrow, and often shallow stream of water that flows through the land. It is usually smaller than a river and can be found in forests, fields, or valleys. Can you tell me about a waterfall?
Niagara Falls is a waterfall.
Okay. A waterfall is a place where water flows over a steep drop or cliff, creating a dramatic and beautiful flow of water. Niagara Falls, on the border between the United States and Canada, is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. Wow, you are amazing. We had so much fun today. See you next time. Bye.